Hey, boss. Who was the guy that was here Friday around 4 o'clock? Yeah. He was wearing the gray hoodie, pulled over. You can't remember? Can you find out?
I don't know. What's the description?
Well, yeah, just he was wearing a gray hoodie, kind of a chubby guy, looked like.
What time?
4 o'clock. Driving this van.
Same?
Exact license plate number.
Same license? Really?
You weren't here Friday at 4 o'clock?
I can't remember.
You weren't here Friday at 4 o'clock. Wasn't you? There's,
I'm up to 4 o'clock.
but there's like 2 or 3 different people driving the same van.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. We all know.
I can't remember.
Okay.
I'm only up to 4 o'clock. So by the time maybe I'm gone already.
But it wasn't you because I was face to face with him. I was beside him
Oh.
because he was leaving and I was coming in.
This short?
He was sitting in the van. He was wearing a gray hoodie. How many guys wear a gray hoodie?
It's a company uniform.
Huh?
It's a company uniform.
The gray hoodie is the company uniform? Oh, okay.
Oh, what's the problem?
No, I just want to know who it was.
I thought there's some issue. If there's some issue, you can email the management. And then they will find it out.
Well, I think the management is the issue. You know what I mean, right? Nothing to do with you. Nothing to do. Everybody likes you.
I hope.
No, everybody likes you. Everybody likes you. It's the other guys that people have problems with.
White guy? Chubby?
Yeah. No, you weren't. It wasn't. I know for sure it wasn't you. Yeah. But how come you guys keep changing drivers throughout the day?
Or maybe a contractor.
No, but it's always this license plate number. Yeah, tricky question.
You meet where? You want the lobby?
Hmm?
The lobby? You meet in the lobby?
No, right here.
Oh, here, the parking.
Yeah.
Did they remember meeting?
No, it wasn't you because I seen him. I meant to talk to him, but then he pulled out.
Maybe a contractor. I don't know.
Who?
Contractor maybe.
Driving your vehicle? It's your license plate number.
If this is my license plate, must be me.
No, but you have more than one you have more than one driver driving this van. I've got like 3 drivers.
You're confusing.
No, but I've got at least 3 guys driving this exact van, the same license plate number. At least 3 guys. Sometimes in the same day, there's 2 guys. You guys are always coming back with the same vehicle, but different people.
Strange.
It is strange.
It is.
Yeah, it is strange. It's very odd. It's very odd.
I can think of anything else.
Yeah, no problem. But I know it wasn't you though here Friday. That I know for a fact. So.
Yeah, 4 o'clock. I work up to 4. So by the time.
Yeah, but you're not here all day.
Yeah, no.
And there's a guy that goes in the. They smell smoke, cigarette smoke coming up from the basement. Sometimes in the first apartment, because they see the van here, but they say we don't know where he is. But they say, well, the lady goes, well, there's somebody smoking in the basement. I can smell smoke. He's been there for at least 4 hours. He just sits in there for 4 hours. Hey, nobody cares. It's none of our business. But that's what she said. But anyway, it's just strange. We're trying to speak to one person, but another person shows up driving the same vehicle, and then they're gone in half an hour, leaving damage behind, and then someone else comes in after that. So it's a bit odd.
If you can take photo, I think it would help.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, no problem. Have a great day. Thank you.